Hello, my name is Negi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at rotate array by a value k. And this problem came with Accenture Advanced ACE exam. So if you are looking to get recruited by Accenture, you are at a perfect place. So let's understand this problem and what we are going to achieve. So let's say we have an array called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we are given as k equal to 3. Here when we say the array should be reversed, it should be rotated in a way called 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This might seem confusing to you, but this can be achieved in three simple steps. So you can try the brute force approach on your own, but let's look at the bit of the optimal solution that we can achieve from here. So it should be done in 3 steps, and the common code will be same like the reversing of an array. So how would we achieve from this to this rotation just by reversing? So from the first step, what we are going to do is that we are going to reverse the whole array. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, what we are going to create is 7, 6, 5, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you compare this intermediate output with our final output, you see that at least these values are at the correct position, right? And now what we are going to do is that we are going to reverse in between this. So we can again call our code, but this time we will call our code from, like, let's say index I equal to 0 till index k minus 1, and then we start from k till like the length of the array minus 1, right? So how do we reverse this? Let me switch the pen. So we go from 7, 6, 5. If you reverse this, it becomes 5, 6, and 7. And if you reverse 4, 3, 2, 1, it's become 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our final output. So what we have done in this, pretty simple, right? First, reverse the whole array, reverse the first part, and reverse the second part. Now we can quickly jump into our Python coding to actually see how it works in the. So let's start with our coding. First, we define our function rotate, which is nums and k. Now we know the value of k. We need to make sure that the value of k is not greater than the length of your array, because otherwise you will end up in the same position. And how do we do that? We just do k mod equal to length of the array, right? Now, as I told you, we need to call reverse twice. But to call reverse twice, you need to create a function called reverse. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to create a function called reverse from start to end, where while is obviously great, while start is less than end, and then basically we switch the numbers where the starts get incremented and the end gets decremented. This is how the reversing takes place, and this is all in place. So it is actually getting replaced within the array. You don't need a new array for this. So first step is to reverse the entire array, right? The second step is to reverse the first k element from 0 to k minus 1. And the third step is to reverse from k to the end, like the end length num minus 1. And the last step is you basically return your nums, right? So this is how we are able to solve rotate by the number k, and the solution is pretty simple. I hope you like the solution and the whole understanding. If you're not able to understand something, please try to write in the comment section. I will definitely reply. Please make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.